Hi, this is Evan Roush here at Gym City Ford Lincoln in Quincy, Illinois. Here behind me I have this 2020 Chevy Suburban LT. We're getting ready to do a walk around on it. Here we go. Again, this is the 2020 Chevy Suburban LT. Was a local trade. It does have a clean vehicle history report on it. Tires seem to be in pretty good condition. Plenty of tread left there. They are over 50% tread. Fine. Rims seem to be good. Just minor scuff right here. Very minor, probably can be buffed out, honestly. Does have a backup camera. I did notice another little scuff here, and then it does have a small scratch down below there. That's just some bird doo-doo right there. Other than that, this car is super clean and a beautiful color. Let's have power liftgate along with a remote start. Plenty of cargo room back here. The seats do load down or fold down as well. In the second row, you do have these nice bucket seats. Some climate control options. Third row. Coming into the driver's seat, you got memory seating right here. 10-way power seats with lumbar support. Got a nice moonroof. Lane keeping assist. Got a blind spot mirror there. Heated seats, backup camera, dual climate control. Alright, underneath the hood you have GM's famous 5.3 liter V8 engine. And she is purring like a kitten. Super clean. Alright guys, just wrapped up this walk around on this very nice 2020 Chevy Suburban LT. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll put some detailed notes down below. Again, Evan Roush, Gym City Ford. Thank you.